How to fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Messenger and make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. For the app to perform smoothly, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of the application. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Messenger application and tap on it. Now tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. Also, in settings again, scroll down until you find the Messenger option and tap on that, and in here, make sure all the in-app permissions toggle button are toggled on. The next fix for this issue is restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone, and if your issue is still not fixed even after restarting the device, then try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the Messenger application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Messenger application and reinstall the application again, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.